What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So we're taking a look at a little bit of a different product today on my channel. This is going to be one of my gadgets. So this is a step away from smartphones, smartphone cases, tablets, laptops, and things of that nature. This is going to be one of my gadgets. So picked up the Micro Groomsman Pro. Now this was by the company Wahl. Picked this up from, I think, Walmart. I'm not exactly sure what I got it. I've had it for a while and haven't unboxed it. But you can pick these up from anywhere from 10 to 25, 30 bucks, I think. I'll try to drop a link in the description where you can pick this up. But this is the Micro Groomsman Pro Ear, Nose, and Brow Trimmer. As you guys see, by the company Wahl. No pull, no pain, guaranteed. And this can also be used by women as well. So it's not just for men. Here's some of the specs on the back of it here. It's going to be wet and dry stainless steel blades. You're going to have the ear and nose trimmer. You're going to have a detailer. And you're going to have an eyebrow guide as well. Included in the kit is going to be one AAA battery, protective cap, and English and Spanish instructions. This also includes a 60-day money-back guarantee and also a 3-year warranty as well. So those are some of the features on this. Let's go ahead and crack this open and see what's all in it and maybe give it a try. All right, guys, so simply just pull on the bottom of this, and that's how you get into it. I was searching off camera trying to see how to get in it, and I said I'm going to turn the camera back on and let you guys see how to get into it. Some of these packagings can be pretty tricky trying to get into them. So that is all in the package included there. So you're going to get some paperwork here. That's just a little brochure that was in there. So you're going to get your, quite sure this is the safety warranty information here. Instructions for household use. So you're going to have the instructions on how to use this. And then you're going to have a little brochure here, a quick guide telling you how to use this. Here it is. That's your quick guide telling you how to do your ears, your nose, and your eyebrows, and what accessory you need to use doing that. So in the packaging, we're going to have the trimmer itself. As you guys see, it has a very nice color to it here. There it is. You guys see, black and blue. And we're going to have to see how this works. So here's looks like some kind of guard there over the top of it. Yeah, so this is just a protective guard to guard the inner workings of this, where you connect your attachments to right there. So we'll put that over to the side for now. You're going to have your battery in here, which is a AAA battery. You get that in there. You're going to get your detailer. That is what this is. You're going to get your, this is going to be for your eyebrow. And that is that right there for your eyebrow. Let's go ahead and get that to focus. There it is. This is the detailer. There it is. And then you're also going to have your one for your nose. Now, like I said, these can be used not only by men, but also by women as well. There it is. So let's go ahead and see how this goes together here. Let me go ahead and get the battery in here. Okay, guys, to put the battery in, you're going to simply just pull on this piece, separate it from the body. Battery is going to go back here. Take your battery. The battery is going to be positive and negative. Take your positive in and make sure it goes towards the butt end of it. Just like that, battery's in. Take this piece, make sure your on and off switch goes in this slot. Give it a push. It's tucked in there. So there it is. You guys can hear, maybe you can hear the motor is running there, and that is it. So if we wanted to try the detailer, you just simply slide it over the top, give it a twist, and that is it. Now to turn it on, you switch here. You guys hear, that is a totally different sound there. And here it is running, you guys see. And to use the eyebrow trimmer, It has holes on each end of it, and what it does is just slide over the top of this. You're going to take that and line it up and just slide it over the top like that, and turn it on. As you guys see, it's going to give a different sound with the eyebrow trimmer on there. There's a close-up of it. You guys see, there it is. And that is that. So you take this back off, and to take the detail off, you just twist it, and that is that. So the last accessory here is going to be the nose trimmer, and it goes on the same way. Give it a twist, and that is it. Now it does have a totally different sound as well. Get that up close so you guys can see this. There it is. You guys see, you can turn it on and off. The little motor spinning in there, and it's not supposed to snag on the hair or anything like that. So very nice looking trimmer, very compact, neat, and very easy to store. When you get through with it, you take your little guard right here, put it back on there, and that's that. Throw it in your bag and easy to travel with. Does have Wahl there. I do like the black and blue color there. Very neat, nice and neat. Just wish they had a little travel accessory bag or something like that so you don't lose your accessories. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the Micro Groomsman Pro. I'll drop a link in the description where you can pick up something like this if you want to. This is Will. Will's Guides and some more. I'm out.